Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to draw a poop emoji. Let's get started with the eyes. I'm going to start with the one on the left. We're going to draw a big oval. Starting from the top, curve around towards the bottom, and we'll just pull that back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in the center and do the same thing on the right side. So lining up the top, curve around towards the bottom, pull that back up towards the top. Now I want to draw a slightly smaller oval on the inside. So we're going to start at the top and just leave an even spaced gap all the way around. And we're going to go ahead and color that in black. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Starting from the top, and then again we're going to color that in black. Let's move down below the eyes and draw the mouth. So directly below the left eye, we're going to draw a curve coming down the middle and over towards the right side. Now we're going to connect those 2 points with a curve that goes lower in the middle for the bottom of the mouth. Starting on the left side, going up towards the right. Now let's start stacking in the layers. So we're going to start on the left side, just about the same height as the bottom of the eye. And we're going to curve up behind the eyes and up. Starting down here, going across and starting to curve, then going up in between the eyes, and we'll come out up on the right side. Now I want to curve around the side. Starting on the left side, curve around and then down. On the right, we're going to do the same thing, curving around and then down. Now I want to connect those 2 points with a curve that goes just below the mouth. Starting on the left side, we're just going to work our way up towards the right. Now I want to draw on the lower right side. So in the middle, right down here, we're going to curve down towards the right at the same height as we have down here. Now we're going to curl around and pull this up underneath. Going across and then just pulling that up underneath. On the left side, I'm going to start at this point, curve around and then just in behind the eye. So going up and then just curving behind the eye. Now this is going to curve back up and then around down to this point. So we're going to continue this line, going up right about there. Now we're going to curl around down to here. Curve, out, and then down. In between the side here and the left eye, I'm going to start and draw a curve that goes up and then over towards the right, just over the left eye. Now just above this curve, I'm just going to do a little wave that goes up to the tip. From here we're going to curve over towards the right, and then right here we're just going to flick it over towards the left. Now from that point, I just want to curve this down towards this top line here. Starting at the top, curve down, and then in. And that's pretty much it. There's our poop emoji. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.